Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I am discussing about maths integers concept which is in 7th class. Okay, in my previous videos I have explained about rules for subtractions, additions and multiplications. In this class I am going to explain about the rules for divisions. Okay, here plus divided by plus means we will get plus. Okay, plus divided by minus, then we will get minus value. Okay, minus divided by plus, then we will get minus value. Value in the value, before the value we should put minus. Okay, here minus divided by minus, then both minus get cancelled, we will get plus sign. Before the value we should write the plus value. Okay, I will give some examples so that this topic will you will get the clear idea about this topic. Okay, here 12 divided by 2, here 12 divided by 2, here in both integers we have plus signs. Plus divided by plus means plus, again you will get the plus divided by plus means you will get the plus sign, so plus 6. Okay, next problem, 16 divided by minus 4. Okay, here plus divided by minus, here plus sign is there, plus divided by minus you will get minus 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 you will get. Okay, next example, minus 20 divided by 5, minus divided by plus, then we will get the minus sign. Okay, here minus sign is there, minus divided by plus, which is equal to minus 5 4s are 24. Okay, next last example, minus 12 divided by minus 6. Okay, here minus sign is there, here minus sign is there, here minus sign is there. Okay, minus and minus get cancelled, 6 2s are 12. Okay, answer will be 2. Okay, hope this divisions concept is also clear. Now I will tell you some examples on based on additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions. Okay, this is the first example I am writing here, minus 2 plus 3 minus 8 plus 4. Okay, here two negatives are there, two negative values are there, so we need to add both two. Okay, two positive values are there, here two plus signs means we need to add plus 3 plus 4 which is equal to plus 7. Okay, minus 2 minus 2, here both are minus signs, so we need to add the values. Okay, 8 plus 2 10, we need to put the sign minus here. Okay, so answer will be 3. Okay, we need to add both plus signs first, both plus signs, plus 3 plus 4 which is equal to 7, minus 2 minus 8 which is equal to minus 10. So answer will be minus 10. Okay, sorry, minus 3. Answer will be minus 3. Okay, minus 3, we need to put the sign of the sign in here. Big integer is 10, so we need to put the sign of the big integer. Here big integer is 10, so that's why I have written minus 3 here. Okay, second problem is minus 4 minus 8 plus 6 minus 2 plus 4. Okay, here 3 minus signs are there, plus 2 signs are there, so I am adding plus 2 signs first. Okay, 6 plus 4 which is equal to 10. Okay, here plus sign is there, here plus sign is there, so we need to put the plus sign. After that here 3 minus signs are there. Okay, so minus 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So 14. Here we need to put the sign of big integer. Here big integer, what is the big integer? 4. Okay. 14 minus 10, which is equal to 4. So answer will be minus 4. Okay. I'll tell you some other examples. Third question. Third question is minus 2 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 5. Okay. Answer for this. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus. What is the multiplication rule? Fourth rule. Minus into minus plus. So 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. Put plus here. Minus into plus minus. So 4 into 5 minus 20. Which is equal to 6 plus into minus minus 20. So answer will be minus 14. Okay. Next, fourth example. Minus 4 into minus 2 divided by 4. Okay. Here 2 minus are there. So we will get positive. Plus we will get 4 into 2, 8. Okay. 8 divided by 4, which is equal to 2. Positive sign. Okay. Fifth problem. Minus 2 into minus 6 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 minus of minus 2 into minus 3. Okay. Divided by 4 into 2 minus 2 plus 4. Okay. So here minus into minus plus. So we will get 12. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Write plus here. 4 minus. After that we will solve this bracket first. Minus into minus plus. 2 into 3 6. So plus 6. Okay. Divided by 4 into 2 8 minus. We will solve this bracket first. Okay. We will solve this bracket first. Minus 2 plus 4 means plus 2. Okay. So answer will be 12 plus 4 minus 6. I am opening the bracket here. 8 minus into plus minus 2. Okay. 12 plus 2. Sorry, 12 plus 4, which is equal to 16. 16 minus 6, which is equal to 10. 16 minus 6 divided by 6. Okay. 16 minus 6 equal to 10. 10 divided by 6. Okay. Which is equal to 2 5s are 2 3s are. Okay. I am explaining again. Minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12 plus 4 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 6. Okay. Divided by 4 into 2 8 minus of plus 2. Okay. 12 plus 4 16. 12 plus 4 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. And 4 into 2 8 minus of plus 2. So 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 10 divided by 6 equal to 5 divided by 3. 2 5s are 2 3s are. Hope it's clear. Till now I have explained the rules of additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and also I have explained some problems on this. In my next class I will explain about remaining problems on integers. Hope it's clear to all. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you very much. Bye.